Dear students, welcome to this video lecture series on food and cosmetic analysis. In this fifth video, you are going to learn about introduction of milk and composition of milk. So everybody takes milk in every day. In this topic, we are going to learn some important information about the milk. So here are the four species from which we can get the milk: it buffalo, cow, goat, or a human. So here we are going to see the composition of milk from various species. So the four species is incorporated in this table, which are buffalo, cow, goat, and milk, and the various species which are giving milks are highlighted here. Their composition is incorporated in this table. So the composition of milk contains water, fat, protein, lactose, ash, enzymes, and vitamins. These four species which are incorporated in this table contain each of these constituents at a different level. So every species contain these constituents like water, fat, protein, lactose, ash, enzyme, vitamins to different level. So here we can see few examples. Buffalo contain 82.14% of water and 7.44% of fat, 4.87% of proteins. Then it contains 4.81% of lactose sugar. It also contains 0.83% of ash. It contains few enzymes and as well as few vitamins. Same way, here we can explain that the cow milk contain these different parameters. Goat milk also contain these different constituents. Then human milk also contain these different constituents. If you look closely to these four species, we can come to know easily that the cow milk fat content and the human milk fat content is nearly same. Here we can see the cow milk fat content is a 3.66% and the human milk fat content is a 3.76%. So here in the next topic, we are going to learn the more detail about each of these constituents. So here we are going to learn about the milk fat. Milk fat is also known as a butter. It have great economical and nutritional value. The flavor of milk is due to the milk fat. Milk fat is a mixture of several different glycerides containing 64 different fatty acids ranging from 4 to 26 carbon atoms. It is also contain lipid material like phospholipids, sterols, carotenoids, and fat soluble vitamins. The next constituent is a milk protein. Milk normally contain about 0.5% nitrogen, of which 95% constituent milk protein and 5% non-protein nitrogen. Casein constitute 80% of the total nitrogen in the milk. Alpha casein 55%, beta casein 25%, then gamma casein 15% and delta casein 5%. Non-casein proteins of milk are called whey proteins. Beta lactoglobins 60%, alpha lactobin, serum, albumins and proteose peptose fractions. Then milk sugar. Milk sugar or lactose is a reducing disaccharides which on hydrolysis gives lactose and galactose. So here is a lactose. When lactose undergo hydrolysis in the presence of lactase enzyme, it forms galactose and glucose. Lactose is acted by bacteria to produce lactic acid. Lactose occurs in two forms. When crystallized from whey at temperature below 93.5 degrees centigrade, the hydrates of alpha lactose is formed. Then ash and salt. Milk ash is a white residue remaining after incineration of milk at 600 degrees centigrade. It consists of an oxide of sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and sulfur, and some chlorides. In addition to this, milk contains many trace elements like copper, zinc, aluminum, molybdenum. The salt of milk are phosphate, chlorides, and citrate of sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Enzymes. The enzymes present in the milk contain number of enzymes. More than 25 enzymes have been identified in cow's milk. These enzymes are distributed throughout the entire system. Some enzymes are bound to the fat globe surface and some associate with casein micelle. Example, alkaline phosphate lipase xanthine oxidase. Then vitamins. Milk is a good source of water soluble and fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin K, vitamin A are present in good quantity in milk. Milk is also rich in riboflavin, but this vitamin is lost rapidly on exposure to light. Milk also contains niacin and ascorbic acid in relatively low concentration. So, in this video, today you have learned about introduction of milk and composition of milk. So please learn next topic of this unit in my next video. Till then, I thank you for watching this video. I wish you a very happy